Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I have got a great response with my rice cooker recipes, and so today I am back with another one, this time Jeera rice. So let's look into the ingredient list now. My first ingredient is of course rice, and today here I have 2 cups of Basmati rice which I have washed thoroughly and then drained the water in a strainer. Next I have 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Next I also have 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, but this is Shahi Jeera, a finer version of the cumin seeds. If you can't find this, you can just increase the quantity of normal cumin seeds in it. And finally some salt to taste. 2 tablespoons of coriander leaves finely chopped. 1 cup of fried onions. I'm using the store-bought one, but if you can't find this, you can simply fry 1 onion in hot oil. So let's start preparing jeera rice in a rice cooker. For that I'm going to add in about 2 tablespoons of ghee or clarified butter first. Once the ghee heats up, I'm going to add in the cumin seeds along with the Shahi Jeera or the thinner cumin seeds. A quick mix, and next I'm going to add in the washed rice. Mix everything well. After adding the rice, we'll cook the rice till it turns slightly whitish in color. It will take approximately 1 to 2 minutes. It's been 2 minutes now, and if you can notice, the rice has turned a bit whitish in color. Now I'm going to add in the pre-measured 4 cups of water for 2 cups of rice. Along with the extra 1/4 cup which I usually add when I'm cooking in my rice cooker. A quick mix. At this point we'll also add in the salt. Salt is of course according to taste. Now I'm going to cover it and cook it till it is 90% done. It will take approximately 5 to 6 minutes. It's been about 7 minutes now, and as you can see, my rice is almost done, rather 90% done. There is a little bit of water at the bottom of the pan. At this point, I'm going to add in the chopped coriander leaves. For adding coriander leaves is completely optional. Along with it, I'm going to add in the fried onions now, and I'm going to give a good mix. Cover it and let it sit for 15 minutes before I do the serving. It's been 15 minutes now, and my jeera rice is completely ready to be served, and you can see how fluffy each grain of rice looks. My jeera rice is ready, and friends, you just saw how easy it was to make. It goes very well with any kind of chicken or veg dishes, even any kind of dal recipes. So friends, a must try in your kitchen, and I'm going to end this video here. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching.